So this is the experimental setup for Stefan's constant black body radiator. So we require this Stefan constant black body radiator apparatus, and then this is the digital temperature indicator. This is black body radiator. So first we should switch on the device. So first we should connect the voltmeter using these terminals, positive and negative terminals, and here you should connect ammeter, positive to the positive, negative to the negative terminal. Then we should connect black body radiator to these two terminals. This is the on off button for heating the black body radiator, and this is temperature indicator. So initially it is at room temperature. Then once we apply the voltage using this knob, we have to apply here. Then we should note down the corresponding current. First we should switch on the black body radiator. So then we should apply voltage of about starting voltage you should keep around 3 volt. Okay, then you should note on the corresponding current and temperature. So like this you should vary the voltage using this knob up to 4 volt you can increase, and then note down the current and temperature. Do the calculation for the Stefan constant. So aim is to determine the Stefan constant. Apparatus we require a black body radiator, temperature indicator, and then the power supply, connecting wires, voltmeter, ammeter here itself in the apparatus. So this is the formula to calculate Stefan constant, power radiated to the temperature to the power 4. So this is the procedure. So these are the readings you should note down: voltage and current. So voltage and current and the corresponding temperature. Calculate the power by multiplying voltage and current. Then temperature you should convert into Kelvin. Take the power of 4, T to the power 4. So energy by area of the black body radiator has been given 2.46. Divide it by this column, power divided by area. And once you calculate E by A, calculate Stefan constant and take the average of all these 5 readings. So here they got around. If we take the average, you are going to get the Stefan constant about 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 8 Weber per meter square, Kelvin to the power minus 4. This is how you can perform this experiment. So the standard value of Stefan constant is 5.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. The unit is given here.